Effortlessly get a clear picture of your finances by learning to view and download your standard bank statements right from your phone. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of the Standard Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If not, head over to your app store and update it. Once updated, tap on the Standard Bank app icon to open it. You'll then be prompted to log and enter your username and password, or use your preferred biometric login method like fingerprint or facial recognition. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Look for the option that says Statements or View Statements. This is usually found in the main menu or a dedicated section for account services. Tap on Statements. You'll then see a list of your accounts. Select the specific account for which you want to view the statement. Now, you'll be presented with a list of available statements, usually categorized by month and year. Scroll through the list to find the statement you need. To view a statement, simply tap on the desired month and year. The statement will then open directly within the app, allowing you to review your transactions. To download the statement for safekeeping or printing, look for a download or save icon. This is typically represented by a downward pointing arrow or a disk icon. Tap this to save the statement to your phone storage, usually as a PDF file. Congratulations! You've successfully viewed and downloaded your Standard Bank statement, giving you instant access to your financial history whenever you need it.